What is going on tonight, YouTube? We are checking out some more Eidola. The next track up here is Unequivocal Nature. We got to keep going here on this Architect album. I've been taking, I haven't been as focused as I should be, and we need to finish this thing up. So we are hitting this one tonight. Very excited for that as always. And we have some tier 3 patrons to shout out. We got Hunter, Matthew, Octavia, James, Ian, Austin, Charles, Zachary, and Jay Alexander. Thank you guys so very much. Dude, I'm ready. Let's get right into it. Dude, I can't get over it.
I hope you carry that on your
Dude, Matt is like John Mess 2.0.
In the end, it's all the same to me. I persist, I've endured.
Dude, that is so chill. Yeah.
I'm not fading out. I'm not going to change.
Wow. Whoa, okay. Well, that is groovy. That's kind of like low-key smashing though. Wow, that bass is resonating. Boom.
I'm not fading out. I'm not going to change. I've earned my place along the edge.
Dude, sing it, Andrew. Sing it.
I'll never lose my way.
Oh, whoa, that is cool.
Every time you feel like giving up. Fight for everything you spent your whole life searching to find. With reside.
Gosh, wow, wow. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, wow, this sounds amazing. What in the world is that? Some sort of a string instrument. Sounds kind of Egyptian. Or something. Back to the smash. Boom, boom, boom. Those kicks coming in. Dude, that's a jam. Come on. That's a jam right there. Oh, man. Oh, man, dude, that was awesome. Dude, Eidola coming in here with Unequivocal Natural. Dude, that was... Wait a second. Hold on a second. I just noticed something. The title is Unequivocal Natural, but the screenshot says Unequivocal Nature. Dude, who messed that one up? Is it Unequivocal Nature? I don't know. Now I don't know. I don't know what I just listened to. All I know is it was an absolute jam. I loved it so much. Again, nice, groovy feels. Can't get over how much Matt, I believe, is the unclean vocalist. Dude, John Mess 2.0 over here. Very, very good stuff. Andrew just singing it out. Sounded so amazing. I love that super nice bass line here and there. That sort of brief 30-second just instrumental. not really a breakdown. I don't know if it's an interlude or exactly what you want to call it, but it's a little jam session, and I freaking love that. Really good vibe, just really upbeat, get you moving. Really good stuff. I gotta finish this album. We're gonna check the next one out very, very soon. I need to finish this darn thing. So be on the lookout for that. And as always, guys, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.